Kay. Of course, I'm back with another video. So this is going to be like a pretty quick application video, me applying my wig. This is what the wig looks like. I already kind of prepped it already. So when I got it, it was in the middle part. Also, this is a full lace wig where it's just like, hold on, it's kind of like lace throughout the whole freaking wig, which I really love. But y'all, this is what it looks like. I did go ahead and flat iron it. I also molded my part to be on the side, so that's what it looks like. And I also added some finishing powder to the lace just to make it a little bit more natural. So this is what it looks like. The hairline already comes pre-plucked, so really if you don't feel like bleaching your knots, you can always just add finishing powder in the inside of the lace. And then what you will want to do is spray this on the lace after you apply your finishing powder, so it would look like this. So you just put the get a brush, of course, and dip it in your finishing powder, then spread it around on all the lace, and you can put it on your wig cap like this, like, you know, inside out, and it'll be much easier. And then you do that, and then after this stuff is what's going to seal the finishing powder onto the lace, so you won't have any transfer like on your wig cap or anything like that. So yeah, it does come with an elastic band, and this time they actually sewed this onto the wig, and it is adjustable like a bra strap. So if you have a smaller size head like me, you can just put it on the last hook so it can be tighter. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. And y'all, I'm not going to do baby hairs today because I want you to see how you can slay this wig without having to create baby hairs in your wig. So that's what I did to prep my wig. Also, because the adjustable straps is in here, I'm going to secure my lace down with the Got2b glue holding spray. But if you don't like doing all of that, you could just, it'll be fine with the adjustable strap. And I'm also going to show you how good it lays down with just the adjustable strap. To make your lace look really natural, you guys, what you want to do is you don't want to cut the lace like straight across. You want to like have like a zigzag motion, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I found buying like fabric scissors was the easiest for me, because I feel like it's just much more tedious when you have regular scissors and you're cutting like zigzags throughout the lace. So yeah, you can pick these up on Amazon, Joann's Fabric, anywhere basically that sells fabric, or Walmart, anything. I got mine from off of Amazon. I just found these to be much easier, and that's basically really the secret to getting your lace like really like melted into your skin so it won't show. You don't want that harsh line, y'all, trust me. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'll be back. And now that my lace is cut off, this is what it looks like. Dang, y'all can't even see it. Let me see. Hopefully y'all can see that. This is what the wig looks like. Do y'all see that? That's insane. When I start getting like towards the front, I like to spray my spray over the lace. I like to what am I talking about? I like to spray the Got2b glue holding spray over the lace rather than under the lace. So that's basically what I'm doing now. You can't really see the side. I'll wait until I get, and I will normally do it like towards the top because it just works better for me. This is what it's looking like up close, and y'all, do y'all freaking see this? It looks so good. Alright, so of course if you wanted to stop here, you could, and yeah, no baby hairs. But I'm gonna add, but you see, like, it looks good. But I kind of like want to tuck this behind my ear. So I'm kind of like going to add some slight, very, very, very slight. Dang, where's my thing? Taking my Eco Styler gel. I might just add a teensy bit up here. Y'all know I can't help it. I'm sorry. I don't even think I really like that. I might just do without. I don't know.
5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money. My dreams come true. My life in diamonds. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew? Who knew?